Mama.
I love you.
Oh.
Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, Mama. Yeah.
Happy birthday, Mama. This song is for you.
I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman got nothing on me. I'm only one call away. And when you're weak, I'll be strong. I'm gonna keep holding on. Now don't you worry, it won't be long, darling. When you feel like hope is gone, just run into my arms. I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman got nothing on me. I'm only one call away.
Happy birthday.
Tummy, just fine. John ka magaling.
Maligayang karawan, mamay.
Happy birthday.
Salamat po sa sobrang pagmamahal mo sa amin.
May script si ate, o tignan mo. Anyway, stay guapo, stay cool, stay funny. Yes. Bye-bye. Stay young.
We.
Forever young.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Love and miss you. Bye-bye.
Hello po, Chuidos. Ellen po ito. Happy birthday po. You're so blessed po kasi narating nyo yung 80 years na super pogi pa din, handsome, and may magandang pangangatawan. You're so blessed po. So ito na lang po ang pa-birthday ko sa inyo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my dear Tito. Happy birthday, Tito Pogi. Enjoy lang po lagi. Iwas stress po para lalong gumanda ang ating pangangatawan at humaba pa ang inyong buhay. I'm so blessed po kasi binibigyan po lagi ako ng inyong mga anak ng chance na makapag-send ng ganitong video para po sa mga okasyon, kung ano mang merong okasyon kayo. I love you guys. I love you all. Ingat lang po. Mission na po. God bless. Mwah, 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 mwah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Uncle Ido. Happy birthday to you. And many, many more. Happy birthday!
Uncle Ido, happy birthday! Happy birthday! We love you!
Hello, Chido. Oh, magbe-birthday ka pala today. 80th birthday. Wow. So, happy 80th birthday, Chido. Balita ko, nagsisigarilyo ko pa raw. Pinagsumbong sa akin. Ay, tigilan mo na para humaba ang buhay. Para ma-enjoy mo pa yung fruit of your labor. Kasi yung mga anak mo nakatapos na. Yung mga pinaghirapan natin ay panahon na para enjoyin. So, yun, enjoy your life. And I wish you makabot ka pa ng 100 in God's will. Ha? So, yun lang. Enjoy mo ang buhay. Alagaan mo yung Chibuli. Ha? Huwag mo siyang bigyan ng sakit ng ulo. Life is short, sabi nga nila. Pero in God's will, hahaba pang buhay natin. At lalo na kayong Chabuli. So, yun lang. Happy birthday and wish you more birthday, good health, and enjoy your life. Huh? Okay, I have a little music for you. Okay, ano pa ba? Balita ko sa diyan ka tumitira sa bukid. Kaya walay kay Chabule. Samahan mo siya palagi. Yan. It's you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yan. So, enjoy lang ang buhay, Chudo, ha? Happy birthday and kumusta na lang sa inyo lahat? Bye-bye. Happy birthday again, Chudo. Bye-bye.
Happy 80th birthday, Mamay!
We love you. Stay cool always, stay handsome.
We wish you a very long life.
Thank you for raising 5 wonderful children
And many, many grandkids.
and many, many grandkids.
Okay, that's it.
Sorry we couldn't be there, but we hope that you enjoy your special day and you feel all the love and warmth from everyone.
We love you, our most handsome grandfather. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! We love you!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. I just wanted to say, happy birthday, surprise! Sana maging sobrang masaya po ang iyong special day. Happy birthday! Mwah!
At Tokyo, there's a taste of
Nakikita ko birthday mo raw.
with so many flavors at Tokyo.
Enjoy mo yan. Happy birthday. God bless.
Hello! And happy birthday! Kamusta ka na? Enjoy ka ngayong araw mo. And God bless you.
Happy birthday. Ang prayer ko ay sana'y mas maging malusog, maging masaya, at mas maging maunlad. Continue to be kind, continue to touch other people's lives, and once again, mula po sa aking puso, isang maligaya, mapayapa na kaarawan. Stay kind.
Happy birthday to Beauty Gonzalez. Enjoy your birthday and God bless you. Ingat po palagi. Bye!
Happy birthday po and all the best. God bless.
I'd just like to greet you happy birthday. God bless you. Hope to see you.
Happy birthday. All the best and more birthdays to come. Enjoy your life and be happy always. And don't forget to pray to God. Get things. Thank you.
Happy birthday po. Sana makarating ako sa inyong kaarawan. Lagi po kayo mag-ingat. God bless you and more power. At lagi niyo po ingatan ang inyong health. I love you.